Hi everyone, I'm Rudaiva, and I'm a senior at MIT majoring in computer science and molecular bio. And I have a plethora of research experience. One of the most exciting projects I worked on was to optimize biosensors for viral disease detection. And this basically involved engineering ferrocene tagged aptamers on handmade gold leaf electrodes. Um, for low cost detection of diseases like HIV and MRSA. Additionally, I'm an avid environmentalist and I care about the climate. I've used my data science skills to analyze Scope 3 greenhouse gas emissions with the MIT Office of Sustainability. I also did isotopic data analysis um, on carbonates to gain insight on the Earth's past climate as part of a climate change research project. So for you guys, I have two projects. One is on computational bio, and the other one is on like technical environmental skills. So it's combining computation with climate change slash geology. So for the first project, it is analyzing the impact of gene mutations on cancer development. And we're going to do that using some data science. So, what is this about? We know that cancer is caused by uncontrolled cell growth, um, which is triggered by gene mutations. And so our project will focus on how data science can be used to analyze large data sets of genetic information to identify mutations linked to different types of cancer. You guys will be able to explore how gene mutations are identified and classified, and perhaps how machine learning algorithms can be used to predict mutations. This research will also give you the knowledge to develop personal treatments into cancer therapy, such as targeting specific mutations with drugs. Yeah, and why is this important? Cancer remains to be one of the leading causes of deaths worldwide, and understanding how genetic mutations contribute to its development is crucial in creating more effective treatments. By using data science to analyze this data, we can identify patterns and predict cancer risk, which allows us to have better prevention and strategies and better treatment. And you guys can develop cool research skills. Yeah. Next up, we have our second project, which is using data science to predict the impact of climate change on local weather patterns. This project focuses on understanding how climate change affects local weather patterns using basic data science techniques. You guys will analyze historical weather data from the local area for you guys and compare it to global climate models to help identify trends such as increased temperature or increased rainfall, perhaps. This will help you learn data visualization skills and how to do simple statistical analysis and help predict how climate change will alter the weather in your community. Why is this important? We know that climate change is a global challenge and its effects are felt everywhere, um, down to a local level, to having hotter days, for having higher rainfall, having more extreme weather. And by analyzing your local weather data, you can firsthand see how global climate patterns influence your own environment. Um, and so you will get basic climate science and data analysis skills. I'm excited to see you guys work on these projects.